really big storms that really gather some height and some width as it starts rolling through, bringing a lot of blowing dust our way.
So we were just sitting in the room here and I was finishing up some editing, and I don't know if you guys have ever gotten that warning on your phone for like Amber Alerts, if you guys have ever seen the Amber Alerts that pop up on your phone, but I got one a while ago. Totally took me off guard because it makes this really obnoxious noise and it just scared the shit out of me. So I also just got, I thought it was an Amber Alert, but I read it and it said there might be a dust storm. And if you look outside, huge dust storm right there. It's pretty crazy, so we're not gonna go anywhere. We're just gonna stay here for the next 2 hours. Yeah, it's crazy. I've never seen one before.
Oh, you haven't?
No.
Yeah, there's actually three different storms right now.
Yeah?
Down south, and they're all converging. Yeah, this is a big one right
Yeah, that's crazy. That's insane. It's so clear over there, and then it's like,
yeah, it's just like
night and day.
now.
Look over there.
Smell like this.
Wow.
It's like snow.
Look at that.
Wow.
I see the dust over
Yeah,
there.
you can see it moving.
That's crazy.
You
That's
can actually
insane.
see it moving.
That is insane right there.
Yeah, you can see like a line. See it?
That's crazy. It's coming. It's coming. It's like right here. It's coming up. It's almost here. It's like right on top of us. It's getting really dark now. It's coming. Look, you can see it. Things are starting to disappear over there. That's insane. That's crazy. See, now it's all dark. Yeah, I started to feel it. Oh, it sucks for them. They're just walking outside over there. Never seen anything like that before.
Yeah, I've never have either. It's just picking up all the dust from
The deserts and then just wherever. Good thing we didn't go out and walk like downtown. Well, I can finish my editing because he said there was like 3 different storms. Not all of them were necessarily dust storms, but they're like connecting with the dust storm. And apparently it's supposed to be like a really big one. It's just crazy to see like a tannish, dark cloud like that. It smells so nice. It smells like nice cedar wood out here. I should move here. I could just do some sick vlogs up here in Arizona. This is sick, right, Shay?
Oh, it's sick.
Can't you make everything looks sicker if you just zoom in and rotate the camera at the same time? It's like, and then put music behind it. Like, I'm gonna do it right now. It's gonna look so sick.
It's gonna look.
Ready?
You?
Wow, or trash.
Hey.
Hi, we made it.
Bitch, damn.
Left the camera back there. Had to get a fat shot of the woods. Vlog life, right? The vlog life. So right now we are stuck in the rain. I don't know where we are. We're at some random town, but all those mountains look pretty cool actually. We should go climb up there. You wanna go climb? All right, let's do it. I mean, you don't have a raincoat, just like me. How do you like my outfit, Shay?
That's a 10.
Think it's sick? I think it's sick. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Yo, what's up, dude? Where are you pointing at? There's nothing over there, bro. Alright, well, I'll see you later.